Who do you think is most dangerous for the country?
Duterte.
Why is that?
Right now, his most trusted man, Pastor Kibuloy of Davao City, has already announced that if the elections don't turn out Duterte, he is going to personally lead a revolution. What kind of talk is that? That is almost seditious. And this is from a man of the cloth. So, masyadong malalim itong Duterte na ito. Hindi kamukha noon na akala natin straight shooting lang siya na mayor at hindi siya nagkakapera. What about the plundered charge filed against him by Trillanes? We don't have any acceptable reason for all those accusations against him.
Kandidato daw ng CIA. Ang isa kandidato daw ng NPA.
Sino ba ang pinatutungkulan ni Santiago sa pahayag na ito sa kanyang campaign speech sa UST kanina? Sa press conference, binanggit niya ang mga pangalang Rodrigo Duterte at Grace Poe.
Duterte has already been announced, if accurately, by the Inc. as their official candidate. But he is also accepted as the official candidate of the NPA. So we have an NPA candidate. Papayag ba ang CIA na sinasabi may relasyon sa asawa ni Grace Poe na mananalo itong mga komunista?
Sabi ni Miriam, delikado para sa bansa ang malinaw na ugnayan ni Duterte sa mga NPA.
It's very dangerous dahil pag hindi nakuha ng taong kamukha niyan, ang kagustuhan niya, baka gagamit ng dahas. That they will go out in the streets with guns, firing at people who are not with them. There is no ideology involved here. It's all pure personality.
Sabi ni Miriam, nag-oobserba ng malaliman ngayon ng CIA sa takbo ng halalan.
I don't know how much money they have been given for these elections, but CIA always keeps a wary eye on Philippine election.
Ang payo niya sa mga undecided, pumili ng kandidatong hindi ilalagay sa alanganin ang katayuan ng bansa.
I'm saying that they should not vote for Duterte because they should vote for me.
Ron Gagalak, ABS-CBN News.